This is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and forgot to do this video, so I'm gonna have to start. I want y'all to see it, but I'm gonna have to start like right in the middle of it. What I'm doing is I'm fixing some lunch, and let me show you this. Oh no, it's my broccoli and my potatoes are really getting. You can't see, can you? Hold on. Let me lift you up so you can see down in here. Okay, I started off with potatoes, and I put a truffle. I can't even find the bottle now. I don't know whether I dropped it and it went down inside here or what, but it's a Kinder's truffle spice, and I put that and pepper, and I got this, where's it at? Bertolli cooking olive oil. I got a 1.5 liter bottle of that at Kroger. And so I put these in a bowl. I put the potatoes in a bowl and with a lid, and I shook them all around, and then I put them in here and I cooked them for 18 minutes. Well, they didn't get done in 18 minutes. So I decided that I wanted some broccoli. I had a whole 2-pound bag of broccoli. I've just put it in a freezer bag, but I had a 2-pound bag of broccoli, and I decided that I wanted some, and I'm going to cook some hot dogs for me today and tomorrow in my air fryer with the potatoes and the broccoli now. I'm gonna cook 5 of them. And I've never done this before. I've never put anything in here like this and doubled it or anything like that. I mean, I'm just really just packing everything in here. And my potatoes, oh, they are almost done. Oh, okay, so I'm going to have to take this up to, it's on 400 degrees. I'm going to take it up to 10 minutes. Oops, I didn't even have y'all up there. I'm going to take it up to 10 minutes. And I wanted to tell you, someone asked me what was the best air fryer like this that you could get. And I got the Power XL. And it's, well, you saw how big the thing is. And I got one for my daughter, and they were one place was one thing, and I had gotten it a month before, and I paid $69 for it. Then I went back, and my other daughter wanted one, so I decided to get her one. And at that time it was Christmas, so the price had gone up $50. So no, wait a minute, $40. Yeah. It was $109. That's the cheapest I could find it anywhere. So I paid $69 for one and $109 for the other. So the Power XL, they have them at Walmart now. I don't remember what the price is. I know that it's not $69 anymore. I don't know how I got that. I just, sometimes I do get the best deals. I'll find the best deals or whatever. But this Power XL is a good air fryer, and I am going to cook this broccoli, these hot dogs, and these potatoes. And I've got out the ketchup for them. And I'm gonna see what it tastes like in the air fryer to cook all 3 together: the broccoli, the potatoes, and the hot dogs. And I got out the ketchup. I'm just gonna eat the hot dogs plain, and I will bring y'all back when this is done. And like I said, I did do the potatoes, and I want to find that spice, but I do not see it. And I don't know what I did with it, but evidently it fell and down in here, and I'll have to go back through my cabinet or whatever and find it. But it is a Kinder's truffle. It had black truffle in it, and I've never tasted it before, so I got it, and I'm gonna see what it tastes like today. So I will bring y'all back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. All right, now this is my plate, and I know this is just not anything fancy. Please don't, think bad of me because I don't have my fine china out here. All right, now here's my potatoes. Here's my broccoli. It is so crispy. But I wanted to get some butter on it, and it won't melt. So, and then here's my hot dogs. Got 2 hot dogs, weenies, whatever. And then here's my butter bread. And I know I've told y'all this before, but my mama didn't make bread. My grandma didn't make bread. They were Southern cooks, but it just wasn't bread making. It was too easy for them to go to the store and buy bread. So when if we didn't have rolls or whatever for dinner, my mama would make us butter bread. And people say, well, what is butter bread? Well, it's got some of the stuff from the hot dogs or potatoes on here. But Mama would just put butter on half of it, fold it in half, and that was our butter bread. And that was what we had with, a lot of times we had it with spaghetti. With bigger dinners, she did fix rolls, the brown and serve rolls, but a lot of times we didn't. Biscuits, we had biscuits, but those weren't homemade. I still don't know how to make homemade biscuits. I want to try. I really do. But anyway, here's the potatoes. It's got that truffle, and I never did find that stuff. Whatever it is. Now, I can't think of the name of it, but it sure is good. Y'all can't hear, but my broccoli is so crispy. And those of you that have watched me for a while know that I love, if there's no meat, I've got to have meat. Be it hot dogs, be it fried bologna, be it, I don't know, cold pieces of chicken, whatever. I've got to have meat. But I really love fried hot dogs. So I cook these in the air fryer. I can't remember whether I've had them. I guess I have. Extremely hot. Okay. Taking me a while to chew it because it's so hot. My eyes are watering and everything. But anyway, this really is just a good, quick dinner. I mean, for me, it's perfect. Maybe if I was married and, or if I had to, well, I don't know, the kids would like this too. The kids would like potatoes and hot dogs, and they probably wouldn't like broccoli, but I probably would have fixed something else for them, green beans or corn or something, and some butter bread. My butter bread. But like I said, this really is good, and it's quick and it's easy, and I didn't mess up very many pans. The most I messed up was utensils, because I had to cut up the potatoes, and then I had to get the broccoli out, and I got my little bitty tongs. I have these little bitty tongs that I got the broccoli out with. These potatoes are awesome. These are the little baby potatoes that I cut in half, and some of them I cut in fourths because they were bigger. They are, and I see a little bitty, one of them stupid fruit flies or whatever it is. I'm telling you, I hate the fall. And you get those and the stupid stink bugs. Get on. Alright, I'm going to get off here and eat my lunch dinner, my dinner. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and to my Instagram. And also, there's links below of different things that I use in my kitchen that you may want to use in yours. And so, I will talk to you later. And you have a good night. Bye.